Let me teach you how to share a YNAB budget with your partner. Welcome back to a new tutorial video on how Genic. If you have a partner and if you share a same budget for whatever purpose, you can now create a same budget within the platform of YNAB. To do that, you'll need to head over to the settings, tap on the three dotted line on the top right, and head over to settings and privacy. From here, if you scroll down under accounts, you'll be able to see the section called YNAB Together. YNAB Together is a feature that lets you share your budgets and accounts with families and partners under one subscription. So in order to create yours, tap on this option and it's going to give you a few information about YNAB Together. It says right here, invite up to 5 people to your subscription without having to share your password. So tap on get started. Now a confirmation email will be sent to the email address that is linked with the YNAB account. Tap on got it. In the next step, you'll need to add in a name so that the name can be added to the YNAB Together account. You can add in any name that you like and then tap on next. Now in order to create this, you'll need to add in members so that they can join this platform. So add in the name of the other person that you'd like to add in, their email, and then you can also select a particular plan if you've created one, and then tap on invite. Once you hit that invite button, they'll get the invite on the email. Once they accept, you both will be able to see a particular plan that you just created. Now, before sending this invite, make sure you create a plan so that you can just check or select this plan and then hit that invite. So that was the video about the way that you share a YNAB budget with a partner. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.